Bleh. 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 No, not speaking today. Morning guys! We're starting from where I got to on my birthday yesterday, if you didn't watch yesterday's vlog. So I'm about 24 miles out of Del Rio and we're going to head up through the hill country up towards Rock Springs, but no Ames again, so yeah, we'll see what we see. So we have a little change of GoPro location. I've taken off the tri-bars now, mainly because I wasn't able to kind of get used to them. But I can drink on a bike. I mean, what more do you need to do? Who needs tri-bars anyway? So, you know what I've discovered? I started just like looking into the cars that pass me, and there's not many of them. I'm in Texas on the back roads. Where am I? I keep forgetting. Okay, Jason will ping it. Ping! On where I'm heading to. Anyway, so he's going to be really cross because he has to watch all this and then cut it. Anyway, so I've been looking in the vans and they all like wave, like peace and hi, and like, this is definitely the friendliest day. I'm liking it. I'm just going to start waving at people randomly. Love it. We're in some green country. It's a little bit windy, so I've probably only done about 20 miles. I feel like I'm pootling along, not doing very much. And I'm still trying not to look at my speedometer, so that I'm not affected by it. But it's really tough when you're like kind of not going anywhere, and it starts to get really boring because it takes so long to actually pass anything. So you've like looked at the thing for about a minute before you actually pass it. Just not put too much pressure on myself. We'll see how that goes. Bleh. Bleh. No, not speaking today. There is a surprisingly large amount of sheep and goats. Who would have known in Texas? Well, I guess Texas would have known, and maybe some people who've been to Texas. I didn't know. Amazing. Learn something new every day. Every day's a learning day. So one of my good friends asked me, asked if I was feeling a lot fitter, like that I must be feeling fitter, and a few people have said it. You know, it's really weird. I don't feel any different. I don't feel any different. I'm obviously eating considerably more than I've ever eaten. I'm quite partial to Dairy Queen, chocolate milkshakes. Ooh, Taco Bell, become a bit partial to that. Pancakes, bacon and maple syrup. Oh, I could do lots of that. I do eat a lot of food. But I'm still kind of slimming, I think, rather than gaining weight. And I don't feel any different really. I wonder when I'll be able to get Taco Bell again. I do like a Taco Bell. And a Dairy Queen. Actually, I want all of those things in one day. The next big city, Austin, I think, or maybe Fredericksburg. I'm going for it. That's enough to put some speed on the bike. I should stop talking now because Jason has to watch all this. He gets really annoyed. Sorry. alright. Slow. And because it's slow, it's boring. It sounds so unappreciative because I'm cycling across America, but it's easier when it's faster because you think, oh, that's interesting, oh, that's interesting. When you're going slow, you go, oh, that's interesting, or okay, that's still interesting. It's like, Anyway, getting there. Beautiful cow! Moo! Yeah, they're all looking, thinking, what is that crazy thing going along the road? We don't know what that is. It's a crazy woman on a bike. Oh, mooing back! Mooed at me. I tell you what, it's lonely, apart from you, thank you GoPro. And a little bit boring. Although I am getting to speed up, so I don't get to see the same thing for about 30 seconds. Oh, lots of deer! Oh, hello deers! I've seen a lot of you dead on the side of the road today. And now I see you alive! Ah, run! Run deers, run! Not towards the road. You get killed out here.
12 seconds later.
Gosh, sounds like animals are dying. Ooh, that sounds sad. There was this big white thing in the distance about 20 miles ago, and Jason said, "Oh, I bet you that's at Rock Springs where we're going." And I went, "No, it's too far away. That won't be it." I'm just approaching Rock Springs, and what can I see here? A big white tower. So annoying. I'm not going to hear the last of this now.